नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही कमाल का प्रोजेक्ट लेकर हाजिर हूँ। ड्रैगन इनो डॉट फन अनलीश द पावर ऑफ द ड्रैगन वेयर मीम मेट्स crypto excellence. Dragon Inno is an exciting crypto project that combines innovation and humor, creating a unique space where cryptocurrency and memes converge. Dragon Inno Crypto, you can view chart from here. Why buy Dragon Inno? You can see a strong and reputable team, high reliability and safety. You can check it out. Major media campaign, you can see Dragon Inno roadmap phase 2 launch on Pancake, renounce contract listing on DEX, expanding into new markets, CoinMarketCap listing, digital media advertising, connect more community, CoinGecko listing. You can see phase 1 build social website, launch social reach, 1000 members, contract deployed, audit contract, marketing with callers, pre-sale on Presale, partnership with Cole. Phase 3, you can check it out, 10,000 Telegram member, ambassador campaign, Twitter trending campaign, launch is taking polls, CX listing, audit by Static. Tokenomics, you can see total supply 28% pre-sale, 14% liquidity, 58% burn. You can see all stuff from here. Tax 5% buy and 5% sell. You can check it out. All details, you can copy their contract address. You can see their partners, Presale, FDEX, DexView, MetaMask, DexTools, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. You can join their Telegram group. You can see Dragon Inno pre-sale coming soon, and you can follow them on the official Twitter. And you can check it out here, pre-sale on Presale. It will be start after 4 days, 18 hours. We believe absolute safety and long-term development goals are the reason for you to join Dragon Inno. Exciting hunts will be created. Let's wait together. Text 55, whitelist only, BSC trending, DexView trending, massive marketing. You can check it out. All stuff. Status incoming, sale type, whitelist only. Minimum buy 0.125 BNB, maximum buy 0.25 BNB. You can check it out. All stuff. You can see token name Dragon Inno, token symbol drag, token decimals 9. You can see total supply. You can check it out. All stuff. Tokens for liquidity. Pre-sale rate. You can see listing rate. You can see initial market cap. You can check it out. Soft cap 12.5 BNB, hard cap 25 BNB, and sold tokens will be refunded. You can see the pre-sale start time and pre-sale end time. Listing on PancakeSwap after pre-sale. You can see liquidity percent 51%, liquidity lockup time 180 days after polls end. You can also buy it on PancakeSwap. You can see enter the amount like 0.8 BNB. You can easily buy these token after pre-sale end date. You can see. वीडियो पसंद आए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दिएगा। मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के साथ, तब तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। बाय, टेक केयर।